What's up, guys? Back on another video. So, whatever the title is what I'm doing. So, I'm gonna try to... I don't even have the stuff we use yet. Okay. Come on. So, I'm gonna try to get a toy rat. And, like, tie a string to it. And, like, so I'm gonna get the refrigerator, right? Put it on top and like tie it like this or like somewhere up there. So when she opens it, boom, it just flies out and scares her maybe. Okay, but I don't even think I have a toy rat to do that with. So next best option is to make my own rat. Okay, make a rat. Should I do that? Okay. Got my materials and meet you back over there. Okay, I was right. I don't have a toy rat. I should have went and bought one, but I just laying down watching some Netflix or whatever. I was like, don't worry about that. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a prank. So I did. So I got a sock and one of these things from like 10. You know what comes with watches and the watch. You know, this thing that's we have a bunch of these. So I'm gonna put this in the sock, okay? Got a rat making video part 1. And I'm gonna put a string on it, okay? Got it in there. When you're scared, everything that's black and jumping at you is a rat, okay? Don't judge me, okay? I have time to get a rat. My mom might be coming from work right now. That's it, girl. Just know, okay? Gotta get string, dog, and string. Okay. How long do you think it should be like? Okay, for now. Okay, boom. Okay. How long should it be? For now, I'm gonna keep it like that. Excess stuff right here. Okay, look. That's a pretty long string, like, okay? Let's tie it about like right here, I guess, and jump out at you like that. Comment down below if this came out your refrigerator, what do you think was a rat? Shoot. Okay. I think that's good. That's good, I guess. Okay. Next, tying it into the fridge. Okay, look. So right here, no, it won't open all the way. I'm kind of stuck here. Yeah, I think there it goes. I got it. Okay, where it goes. Boom. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's see if this works. So she's mind her own business, trying to get something, whatever she getting out of the fridge, and then she gonna walk up and be like, no, see. Oh, we got trials. Okay. They got that clue like this, I guess. Sure it's the line. Okay. That'd be good right there. Oh, see, you can't do that. Boom, she said she won't see it. Okay, right there. No, come on now. He's got to close it all the way just to do it. Give me the string. Struggle. Okay. Guess I did not need that much string. Okay. Trial 5 maybe? I don't know. Yup, right there. I almost got scared when I came out at me. Okay. So we don't need all this string. Cut some of this excess string off. String, gosh. Okay. How am I supposed to put it back up there? Boom! Right set. Wait, you're still here. Oh, my bad. Boom. Now we wait. So look, it's been like an hour, right? Still not here. Finally got a call from her. Saying she almost home. And she about to pull up soon, like any minute now. And I've been waiting, going to that window, looking out, make sure she don't come. Because I know if my mom come in the house and walk past the kitchen, go into her room, she's not coming out anytime soon. Ooh, I thought that was her for me. That was here, set up this camera real quick. So the next thing you'll see is where the camera set up and her coming in and getting pranked, okay? Okay. Yeah, boy. Okay. She's here. Okay. Okay.
Can you sweep it up, please?
Oh yeah, some kind of email said keep it or something.
So stupid.
If you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did, I was dying laughing. Oh my god, it was hilarious. Comment down below how funny it was to you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time. Peace.